Your HeyGen AI avatar can now hold genuine eye contact, sync lips perfectly in 175 plus languages, and never drift from your identity, even across a 10-minute video. That last part used to be the deal breaker for me. Every other AI avatar I tried looked fine in a short clip. Then I'd try a longer video, and somewhere in the middle, it just started to look off. Avatar 5 solved that. It uses a full video context window to build your identity, not a single photo. It picks up your lip geometry, your facial structure, your exact expression patterns. The result is an identity that holds. Whether I'm posting a 30-second YouTube short or a full course lesson, the consistency is locked in. Trained on over 10 million data points, the micro-expression accuracy alone is worth it. Genuine brow movement. Real eye contact. Details that make viewers feel like they're watching a person, not a render. This is HeyGen's most advanced avatar model to date. Try Avatar 5 and record your twin today.